Okay, this is a favorite place of mine to come to get a snack. TortaGourmet, La Pasadita. And it's on this, just look it up on map and put La Pasadita TortaGourmet and you'll find it there. If not, it's on Lago Norte, number 500, local 22. If you're on a trip, say to Bufadora or Pai or further south, San Quintina, this is a good place to get snacks. I'm going to walk on over there and the proprietor is Julio Cesar and his wife Maria Jesus. They run a very clean place. We're entering here. I don't fall over. This is Julio. Julio Cesar. Okay, bueno. And then, you know, yeah, simplemente yo quiero saludarte, ¿sí? This is a place to eat.
Sí, ahorita la tenemos lista.
Yo he explicado que muchas veces yo compro comida aquí y me gusta mucho.
Oh, muy bien, muchas gracias.
Sí.
Qué bueno que es de su agrado.
Sí. Ok, bueno, gracias por su atención.
No, gracias a usted
Yeah.
para servirle.